So this is a score sheet, and we want to calculate the weighted mean for these students here. But we want to use ChatGPT to calculate them. So in this sheet, we have the weight for each category for test 1, 2, 3, practical and exams, and we have their corresponding values here. So we want to find the formula for the first person here, and then we copy it across the cells. So come to ChatGPT and write an Excel formula for a spreadsheet to calculate the weighted mean. The weighted mean value is from cell C3 to G5, while the scores are from C5 to G5. Now remember, for ChatGPT to be able to get the exact answer that you seek, you must be able to describe what you want vividly. The better your description, the closer you will get to your answer. So just key it is, press enter, and wait for the result. Let's wait. Boom. See, the result has just shown. So this will be for the first person. This will be for the first person. And wait. So you can see it. You can copy it across. Now there's a problem here. The first person was correct, while others, we had some little errors here. So what are we going to do? Let me look at this formula. We have C3 to G3. Where do we have constant? We have constant from C3, which is here, C3 to G3. So we're going to lock that cell. And also lock wherever we have a constant. Press enter, double click it, and send it down. So that's it. It's done. See you in another video.